Hi, good morning. Today is Friday, March 20th. That's our last day before we go on spring break for a week. Today I'm going to be going over shared money with a partner in math. That's lesson 8.6. I accidentally also included lesson 8.7, which is creating a fraction number line. Will you move that into your week 2 file folder for me? Because we're going to cover that when we get back from spring break. I didn't mean to put it in there. So this is the lesson for today, sharing money with a partner, and you see the word sharing. And we know when we share something equally that we are dividing. That's right, we're dividing money today among equal groups. So we are going to start with our workbook today, and I'm going to go over problem 1 with you. Now there is a try this section at the bottom that's going to have remainders. That means there's going to be leftover money. If you get through the first part of the page and you're ready for a challenge, do the try this. Otherwise, just get through the first part of the page with me and don't worry about it, okay? All right, so we are on number 1, and we have $54 that we're going to share with 3 people. So I want you to draw a little diagram for yourself where you have $54 divided into 3 equal groups. I like to draw boxes, 3 boxes for the 3 equal groups. Each group represents a different friend. So I have $10 in each group. I have $54 altogether, and I'm going to give everybody a $10 bill. So we have 10, 20, 30. So you can see we have $30 already divided into 3 equal groups, so everybody gets $10, okay? What we have left over that we still need to split equally is two $10 bills and 4 $1 bills. So what's that? $24, that's right. So we're going to take the remaining $24 and divide that into 3 equal groups. So ask yourself a missing factor question. What number times 3 equals 24? Do you remember? It's 8, that's right. So you're going to give everybody $8 more. So I'm going to do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I'm done doing that, and I'd like you to draw a diagram just like this, I can see that everybody has 1 $10 bill and 8 $1 bills in their box. That means everybody gets $18. That's right. So 54 divided by 3 is 18. Great? Okay. So now you're ready to try number 2, number 3, and number 4. Do it just the same way. Draw diagrams. You can use extra pieces of paper. If you look in the worksheet packet that I gave you, there's money. So you can use the manipulatives. You can cut these out and use those to help you visualize it if it's hard for you to do mentally, okay? Or if you need to do that in addition to the diagram. The other activity you can do for follow-up, and this is optional, is the sharing money with a partner activity. You can see there's a response sheet on the back, there's directions on the front, and then a response sheet on the back. And if you do that, that would be fantastic. Send me a picture. This is, I'd like you to do it. You don't have to do it. You do need to do the worksheet page. And then you do need to follow it up with the math boxes on page 267. Those need to be done as well. When you're done with those 2, I'd like you to work on the home link for 8.6 this week. And then after 8.6, you're going to see those dollar bills and $10 bills, okay? That you can cut out and use. So let me think about, okay, so now we're going to have a Google Hangout today because we have a spelling test and a reading comprehension test. Your spelling test is in your week 1 packet. Tell your parents how to give you the spelling test. If you're on list 1, they need to read each word, followed by a dictation sentence, followed by repeating the word again, and then give you some time, under a minute about, to spell each word. When you're done with your word list, then you can independently complete the vocabulary words. You know exactly how to do it. We've done it every week, all year. So do that by yourself. When you're finished, have mom and dad take a picture of the front of your spelling test and the back of your spelling test, and please text it to my private number, okay? When we're done with that, We have a really fun fairy tale. I really love this fairy tale. It's called Clever Jack Takes the Cake. And we're going to talk about it together when we meet at 10:30 this morning. So I need you to read Clever Jack Takes the Cake before we meet. When we meet, I'm going to read it with you. There's also a paired read. It's also on the reading comprehension test. And it's called When Corn Was Cash. And this is an expository text. It's another social studies text about economy because it's about bartering and money, how people got what they needed. So read this. This is the paired read. And we're going to discuss both of those this morning at 10:30. Okay? And then after that, I'm going to give you some tips about taking the comprehension test. When you're done with the comprehension test, I also need you to tell mom and dad to take pictures of every page and text it to me. So here's what I need today. I need you to text me the math home links, the spelling test front and back, and all the pages in the comprehension test. You don't need to text me math boxes. If you'd like to play the sharing money with a friend activity, that's awesome. If you text me pictures of that, that's bonus. I love it. I love to see it. I don't have to have it. You don't have to do it. So I hope you have a great morning. We have spring break after this, so I will see you soon. And I hope everybody can make it to our Google Hangout so I can catch up with you and talk about the comprehension test. If not, that's okay. Remember, if you need any help, call me or text me. You can FaceTime me. You can send me a private message or a message on our classroom page for our Google Classroom. Either one works. But love you guys. Have a great spring break, and we'll be all back together soon. Bye.